Steps to get director contact details. Welcome to the Finanvo dashboard. You can simply search for any company by name for which you want the director contact details. Let's search Technovire Data Science Limited. We can see the data for our searched company has appeared. We can scroll down further to view the Director tab for the company. We can see a list of all the directors of this company has appeared. Let's click on Mr. Ravi Somani to access the contact details. We can view a tab under the name by Director Contact on the right corner. Click on it and then click on Pay by Credit option to purchase the contact details of the director by the credits assigned to your account. We can now view the contact details such as mobile number, email ID, personal details, etc. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Do drop a like. Leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for more insights and updates. For more information, connect on the number mentioned below.